Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Earning money has typically been associated with and restricted to the traditional offline route. With the internet taking over a large part of our lives, more people are looking for ways to earn money online to increase their financial inflows, with secondary income streams. You should be mindful of the platform that you choose. While there are numerous ways to earn money online, some of these might be fake. Also, do not expect to earn a huge amount quickly when using online avenues to earn money. With a situation involving more time at home and/or more free time in general, maybe fewer working hours for some of you might have some free time on hand. Here are on 1. Freelancing. Several websites are offering freelance tasks for people with varying skills. All you need to do is to create an account, browse through the listings, and apply for the task that suits you. Some sites may ask you to set up a PayPal account, as most clients prefer to make payments digitally. Remember, you will only get paid once you complete the given task. 2. Starting your website. There is enough material available online to help you put together a website. This includes choosing the domain, templates, layout, and overall design for your website. Sign up for Google AdSense to make money when clicked on by visitors. 3. Affiliate marketing. Once your website is up and running, you could opt for affiliate marketing by allowing companies to insert web links onto your site. This is like a symbiotic partnership. When visitors to your site buy products or services by clicking on such links, you earn out from it. 4. Virtual assistantship. A virtual assistant, VA, works remotely with clients and manages aspects of their business that they are too busy to handle themselves. VAs are skilled, home-based professionals that offer companies, businesses, and entrepreneurs administrative support. Becoming a VA may require some degree of training or briefing, depending on your qualifications. You can just sign up on sites such as elance.com, 24/7 Virtual Assistant, Assistant Match, Help, Freelancer, Flex Jobs, People Per Hour, Oasist, Me, Upwork, VA Virtual Assistants, Virtual Staff Finder, Worldwide 101, ZipTask. 5. Language translating. Knowing a language other than English may even help you earn some extra money. Several websites offer translation projects that require translating a document from one language into another. This may include Spanish, French, Arab, German, or any other language to or from English. For many, this can make the task rather time-consuming and therefore they hire translators available online from anywhere across the globe. Several websites such as Freelancer, Fiverr.com, Workhire.com, or Upwork.com offers you a platform to be a professional translator. Those who do not have the knowledge or the time to complete their projects on their own put up their work on these platforms where you can register and start bidding on translation jobs and get paid in the range of Rs1 Rs5 per word. This can go up to 10 rupees for some languages. 6. Online tutoring. If you are an expert in a particular subject, you can earn by tutoring people online. Online tutoring provides a means to connect online with students of all ages, across the country to provide homework help and tutoring in the subjects for which you have demonstrated expertise. One may sign up on websites like Vedantu.com, MyPrivateTutor.com, BharatTutors.com, TutorIndia.net as an online tutor by creating a profile, and listing the subjects or classes you want to teach, how much experience you have, what your qualifications are, etc. Some of the platforms may offer flexible and convenient times to work as an online tutor. Most platforms follow this process. They ask you to apply by filling a simple form, after which a teaching demo will have to give their experts. Once selected, documentation and profile creation will be done, followed by training and induction webinars. Once you attend the webinar, you will be listed as a teacher and will get your online sessions to conduct. Beginners can make around 200 rupees per hour, which can go up to 500 rupees as you gain experience and expertise. 7. Social media management, strategy. In addition to interacting with friends and strangers, Social networking platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat can be used to make money. Companies and brands pay social media strategists to further boost the popularity of their products. With lots of competition around and the constantly shortening of attention time of online viewers, creativity is essential to create posts, videos, etc. that can go viral quickly and enhance the brand value. Remember, social media needs dedicated time and energy to stay relevant. Hence, you need to share posts regularly and interact with your followers regularly. 8. Web designing. Not all business owners are tech savvy, but the need of the hour is to have a website of their own. Those who have a knack for all things tech, especially related to websites, can help small businesses set up their websites and earn from it. Coding and web designing are the essential ingredients in setting up websites. Further, websites need maintenance and may require frequent updates, which may add to one's revenue. Thanks for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.